In this quick tutorial, we will guide you through the steps on how to add a plain text email signature in the Gmail Android app. It's important to mention that the Gmail for Android doesn't support HTML signatures. But don't worry, we have an alternative solution to add a simple signature. Here are two examples of a plain text signature that will work in Gmail for Android. Now let's get started with creating one using the By brand. In the By brand, once you're logged in, browse the available pre-created templates and select a simple text-only design that matches your preferences. Next, customize your signature by adding your name, job title, contact information, and any other relevant details. Remember to keep it concise, professional, and add plain text only. I will skip this part of changing the signature to accelerate the video. I will only change the text color. Save the signature, and then click the Share Publicly button. Now, take your smartphone and access this QR code to open the shared signature on your device. In the second part, follow these steps to add a plain text email signature in the Gmail Android app. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Select your email account. Tap on Mobile Signature. Enter your desired plain text signature in the text box. Save your changes. Again, please note that Gmail for Android does not support HTML signatures, so all HTML elements are transformed into text only. Here we have the result of the email message sent with the signature in the email client. Finally, by following these steps, you can add a simple and plain text email signature to your Gmail Android app.